Happiness is a state of mind. It is not about being on the go all the time. It's about being in the moment and appreciating what you have. Living a happy life is about finding joy in the little things, such as these 12 ways. 1. Write down 3 things that you are grateful for. 2. Call a friend and say, "I love you." 3. Take a walk outside, even if it's just around your block. 4. Make a list of all the things that make you happy. 5. Take care of something that has been bugging you, like paying a bill or doing the dishes. 6. Watch your favorite movie. 7. Put on some music and dance around the room. 8. Start a new hobby, like chasing butterflies. 9. Tell someone what they mean to you in person. 10. Read an inspirational book. 11. Volunteer for something in your community that needs help. 12. Spend time with people who are different from you and learn from them. And at the end, if you find these 12 steps to be too much to handle at once, or if they are overwhelming, pick a few that resonate with you and start with them. Write in the comments, what little things make you happy?